Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing aloo sandwich recipe. This healthy potato masala sandwich can be enjoyed as a meal any time of the day. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm heating my kadai with 1 tablespoon wood pressed groundnut oil. Instead of wood pressed groundnut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood pressed oil of your choice. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon saunf. Once it crackles, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. Once the jeera splutters, reduce the flame to the lowest and in 1 onion finely chopped. Give it a stir. Allow the onions to turn transparent or light pink in color. Once the onion starts to turn transparent, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon sea salt, 1 teaspoon finely chopped ginger. The ginger is slightly tender. Give this a mix. Once the onion is transparent, I'm adding in half cup sprouted moong dal. Add in a couple of splashes of water. Give it a stir. Cover and allow the moong sprouts to get cooked. I have already boiled 2 potatoes. I'm going to peel the skin of the potatoes and lightly mash the potatoes and keep it aside. 2 to 3 minutes later, open the lid, give it a stir. 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon jeera powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder. If you're using ordinary chilli powder, reduce by half. Kashmiri chilli powder has less heat than ordinary chilli powder. Give it a quick stir and allow the masalas to roast for about 20 to 30 seconds so that the raw flavor is diminished. I'm adding in some fresh curry leaves. Give it a stir. Add in the boiled and mashed potatoes. Give it a good stir. Once nicely mixed, I'm adding in half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. Kashmiri chilli and black pepper powder you can increase or decrease as per your taste. Turn off the flame and squeeze in half a lemon. Sprinkle some coriander leaves on top and give it a good mix. And my masala potato sandwich filling is ready. Now the best thing about this potato sandwich filling is that you can make ahead this and store in an airtight glass container and it will stay good in the refrigerator for a couple of days. This way it's an ideal way to meal prep. To make the sandwich, I'm allowing the potato filling to cool down. For the sandwich, I'm using 2 slices of sourdough bread. I had some leftover amla chutney. Spreading 1 slice with the amla chutney. I have already shared amla chutney recipe. Please do check it out. Place a generous amount of the potato filling and spread it out evenly on the bread slice. Cover it with the other sourdough bread slice and lightly press it down. I'm heating my cast iron tawa and I'm drizzling in little bit of wood pressed groundnut oil. You can also use A2 desi ghee instead. Place the sandwich bread on top and lightly spread the bread on the tawa so that the oil is coated nicely on the bread. Place something heavy like a skillet on top. This will help to evenly toast the bread slice and also will help to seal the bread. 2 minutes later, remove the skillet on top. Drizzle in little bit of wood pressed groundnut oil. Carefully flip the sandwich over. Place the skillet back on top and allow that side to get toasted as well. Once that side is done, remove the skillet from top and remove the sandwich. I like to slice the sandwich before serving and my masala potato sandwich is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy aloo sandwich and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.